Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie bread using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 large egg. Lastly, ensure you have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. These simple items will create a wonderfully delicious treat in no time. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's start mixing. In a large bowl, combine the 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk these dry ingredients together well. In a separate, smaller bowl, whisk the 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 egg until smooth. This two-step process ensures everything is evenly distributed for the best texture. With your batter mixed, it's time to prepare for baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. Next, take a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and lightly grease it, then dust it with a little flour to prevent sticking. Carefully pour your delicious batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle a tiny bit of sugar on top before baking. Now for the best part, baking. Place your loaf pan into the preheated oven and bake for approximately 45 to 50 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the pie bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to remove. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely, or slice and enjoy it warm. It's truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.